Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cap the FPS in Apex Legends. So as an example, you'll need to go and access your settings right away. In the settings, you'll find yourself here in the gameplay. And basically, once you are here, we would like to go to the video option. So there is no such a clear thing like FPS, so here is like 60 FPS, let's just cap it to 50, or there's 100 FPS, let's just cap it to 60 or something like that. But there is this adaptive resolution FPS target. For example, this will dynamically lower rendering resolution to try to maintain the specific target's frame rate setting. A lower FPS target lets you trade off performance for image quality. So if the game is failing to maintain target's frame rate, lower the resolution. Other video settings, adaptive resolution, cannot reduce H resolution, or resulting basically from overcommitting VRAM requires TSAA when enabled. So what you'll have to do is simply here go for the FPS that you would like to have. So as an example, I want to cap it at 60. I can go and put this adaptive resolution target. So this is, as an example, just the FPS targets that my PC will try to make. But it does not mean it necessarily will be 60. It might be lower depending on my device performance, or it might be a little bit higher. Normally it doesn't go higher more than the targets, but it sometimes goes just a little bit, but it might go lower, especially of course if your device is not that good. Of course, you'll be able to do the same thing on Steam if you want to. You'll be able to go and right-click, for example, the game properties, and you can, on the launch option, of course, you'll be able to set some stuff in there. It's like high technical stuff, but you don't have to go through it. This is the best option that you can cap the FPS with. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.